Turkey, where ancient history meets breathtaking landscapes. Explore the diverse terrain, from the captivating coast of Antalya to the lunar-like landscape of Cappadocia. Wander through bustling cities like Istanbul, where East meets West in a harmonized dance. Turkey, a land of rich culture and natural wonders, invites you to discover its enchanting beauty. Let's begin our trip with this vibrant city of Istanbul, where enchanting walking streets lead you through a tapestry of history. The sparkling Bosphorus Sea offers stunning views, while the warmth of friendly locals invite you into the heart of the city. It's a great opportunity to have a unique experience of fishing along the shores, adding a touch of serenity to this dynamic metropolis. Embark on a sea trip in Istanbul is a great idea, where seagulls dance above the Bosphorus. Marvel at the beauty of the mosques, gardens, and the cityscapes, creating a captivating journey through the charming heart of Istanbul. Experience the delight of Turkish breakfast, a feast of the sense. Starting the day with a spread of olives, cheese, and fresh tomatoes. Savor the warmth of samit, a sesame-crusted bread ring, paired with a creamy kaymak and honey. Turkish pastries like börek offer a layer of a flaky indulgence, making morning truly memorable. Kebab and shawarma are popular meat dishes originating from the Middle East. Kebab involves skewers and grilled meat, often seasoned with various spices. Shawarma features sliced meat, typically cooked on a vertical roasteries. Both offer a flavorful experience, showcasing regional variation and diverse culinary traditions. Indulge in Turkey culinary's delights, where a rich tapestry of flavors await. From the savory kebabs to the aromatic spices of street food markets. Each bite is a journey. Savor traditional delights like baklava and Turkish delights, a symphony of tastes that reflect the country's vibrant and diverse gastronomic heritage. Cappadocia, nestled in the heart of Turkey. Cappadocia is a captivating wonderland of surreal landscape and ancient charm. Famous for its distinctive fairy tale like rock formation and underground cities. Cappadocia invites you to explore a unique blend of history and natural beauty. Hot balloon rides over the enchanting valleys make the region a must-visit destination, promising an unforgettable journey through the time and terrain. Uzungol, nestled in the Black Sea region of Turkey. Uzungol is a picturesque paradise, surrounded by lush mountains and mirrored in the tranquil waters of its magical lake. A haven for nature enthusiasts, it offers serenity with emerald landscape and traditional wooden house. Uzungol captivates visitors with its calming ambience, making it a serene escape in Turkey's breathtaking natural tapestry. Marden, nestled in the heart of Turkey. Marden boasts a rich tapestry of history and culinary delights. Exploring the ancient Mazar ruins, a testament to the city's storied past, wander through the remnants of bygone era, surrounded by echoes of civilization long gone. Additionally, indulge your taste buds in Marden's diverse cuisine, where traditional Turkish flavors blend seamlessly, offering a delightful culinary experience that complement the city's historical charm. Marden is a treasure trove for those seeking both archaeological wonders and gastronomic pleasure. Antalya, a jewel in Turkey's Mediterranean coast. This vibrant city seamlessly merges ancient history with modern allure. The historic Antalya Castle, perched on hill, offers panoramic views of the Azure Sea and the charming old town below. Dating back to Roman times, the castle stands as a testament to Antalya's rich heritage. Explore its weathered walls and towers, and let the enchanting tales of the past transport you to bygone era in this captivating Turkish coastal heaven. Yalova, a serene escape nestled on the Marmara Sea southern coast. Known for its lush greenery, thermal spring, and captivating sea views. Exploring the historical Yalova Ataturk Mansion and lush parks, while the rejuvenating thermal spas invite relaxations. Yalova offers a peaceful retreat for those seeking respite from the bustling pace of everyday life in the heart of Turkey. Now we have reached last station in our trip. It's Konya, a city steeped in spiritual richness and cultural heritage, known for its deep Sufi traditions. Konya is home to the Muslim of the great Sufi mystic Rumi, attracting seekers of wisdoms and peace. Exploring the enchanting Mevlana Museum and witness the mesmerizing whirling dervish performance, embodying the city's spiritual essence. Konya's skyline is drawn with a grand mosque like the Sulaimiye Mosque, reflecting the harmony between faith and architectural splendor in the captivating Turkish city. That was our last destination in our visual tour. In general, Turkey is a unique, charming country that deserves to be visited. If you would like to visit more countries, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Thanks for watching.